What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller, the wagon, and Ryan back here with another video. Today we're going to be going to put the clutch and flywheel in the RB20. We're taking over a couple things. We got the new impact that we're going to break in, sockets, flashlight, some Loctite, and that's all we're going to need. Before we get to Danny's though, I do have a little bit of surprise for you guys. It's mainly for me, but you guys should enjoy it as well. If y'all want to guess why we're here, go ahead and leave a comment. I will be right back. I lied. They're out. I was gonna get the gold ratchet because I wanted one, but they're out. We'll try again later. The new Supras have grown on me so much, dude. This thing is actually freaking gorgeous. Oh, we just found another Harbor Freight. It's like 5 minutes away and we're really close to Danny's. We're gonna go ahead and hit that one. Fingers crossed this place has a golden ratchet. Number 2, wish me luck, wish me luck. We're also right next to the cursed Popeyes. If you guys remember that, shout out to you. I'll be right back. 0 for 2, 0 for 2. We're really going to Danny's this time. I don't know if it's a sign like I shouldn't get the gold ratchet or if I should just keep looking. I'm probably gonna keep looking, man. I really want one. We made it to Danny's. You guys can see Ryan got a new clutch, flywheel, and pressure plate. All action clutch, everything should be good. Right now he's just trying to take off the bolts of the old flywheel and clutch.
We don't got an impact that has enough torque. We're using this little impact driver. As you hammer it in, it twists to break stuff. And I was like, oh, it might work. Hammering it to break it a little bit and then hitting it with the impact. And as you can see, we've gotten 3 out already.
Breaking them loose and then zapping them out.
Yep. No. Oh. No. No. Oh.
Who's Evan's stick?
Got it.
Solo! Shouldn't be too heavy, right? Got it.
There's the old clutch.
And there's still good cooking.
Yeah, that thing's pretty fried compared to a nice new one. Ooh. So the old clutch and pressure plate is out. Now we have to get the flywheel out. And the flywheel bolts are pretty big. I think they're like a 20 or something, but that's what we're taking out next. And we have all the torque specs, but we're going to put the new stuff back in. Can we get a quick rundown of these burn marks here?
So this was probably the dude in Japan.
Okay.
I think this small one was Braden.
Oh yeah, that was right.
Definitely me.
And then this one was probably me.
That's not. That was day 0 when it blew up.
Dude, you can
that's Virginia.
feel the surface difference. That is.
Well, that's why we got a new one.
Yeah. Dude.
Ooh, Mello's here in the GS. He brought that. Yeah, I love it on 350 stocks. He brought the big impact, but we already kind of got everything out that we needed to. Actually, the flywheel bolts we're gonna need the big Johnny for. Look at this thing. You guys are telling me you wouldn't drive a GS? I would have 3 of these if I had the money. Of course, we have a 19 and a 21, but we need a 20. We also need a torque wrench, and we also need a pilot bearing puller, I think. So we're running to AutoZone, bringing those back, and continuing with our day. So he popped the new metal one back on there.
Maybe you're supposed to crimp it down a little bit or something.
Is this supposed to be loose, or is this like the wrong one, or what?
Let's look this up.
Yeah, I think so too, man. Hey, if any of you guys know if this is supposed to be loose or not, let me know.
1 second.
Copper shifter bushing.
That's what it is, shifter bushing.
Right there. Loaner pilot bearing puller attachment. Like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
I feel like there's no way it's gonna take at least a loaf, like a whole loaf.
So apparently there's a way to remove a bushing with literal bread, like a loaf of bread, slices of bread. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we might have to try it.
People do it all the time.
We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
Look it up. It's like everyone.
I've definitely never done it.
Yeah.
But I know
And it's removing the bearing or the bushing?
it's the pilot bushing.
The bushing with bread. Dude, I think you should get Wonder Bread.
What's like the densest bread?
Bagels.
Alright, I'm going with 5.
Get Wonder Bread, dude, for the memes.
I think we should get some butter.
Yeah, classic white.
Stevie Wonder bread.
Eat some of it.
Yeah, dude, that's gonna be fire. That looks so good, dude. On wagons and SUVs, they look fire. So it turns out we actually didn't need a 20. It's actually just a 19. Dude, they're coming out easy with the big boy.
Yeah, bro.
Be that heavy, man.
If it's
Local man dies.
If it's OEM, it's probably pretty.
Pretty sure. You make a layer. The whole mamma jamma.
Lead balls. Oh, it's coming, it's coming.
You got it?
Yeah. It's not too bad. Nice.
And look at that.
Got it.
It looks like the rear main seal is not leaking really.
Thank God.
Which is nice.
That's very nice.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's time for the bread. It's bread time. Oh God, that's a lot of bread in my hand. So I have a replacement
Bushing.
Bushing. You know, replacement flywheel bushing right here. Or I don't even know if it's for the flywheel, but or pilot bushing. Sorry. I'm gonna get this old one out. We just press the new one in here, and then put the new flywheel on, and then we can move on to the clutch.
So we literally just stuff that hole with bread until that bushing comes out.
Yeah.
All right. I find this so funny.
Isn't that awesome?
Just mash it in there.
Push it in there.
Little bushing is now raised. It's no longer flush. So the bread is going behind it and pushing it out. All right, y'all, this is the part of cars not a whole lot of other people will show you or care to tell you about. This part sucks dick. This part,
It's not too bad.
we're sitting here hammering
We gotta hammer the new bushing.
20-30 minutes at a time.
Yeah,
And it's not the worst, but I'm just saying this happens. You know, it takes a minute.
date.
Oh God, you moved. Yo, we flipping
The other one.
we flipping this around. Let's try it a couple times. I'll be really careful.
I see your booty crack.
No,
Booty crack.
I can feel the
Let's
wind.
get the camera on that. Let me get the camera.
Oh, that's nice.
Crack.
Ready? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You okay?
It's in though.
That sounded like good contact.
Dude, it moved so much. I wasn't kidding. Oh, so did your.
Sounded like some good contact.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
That made me kind of.
Oh my God.
I think that's in there. I mean, you want to feel it?
If it's flush, she's solid.
It feels flush.
Let me see.
Is that flush? What would
That
you say?
feels 99% flush to me.
Expansion foam.
Looks pretty to me, man.
If you have a
Yeah, it's a lot of heat spots.
Hit all them like 7 Douglas.
7 Douglas. Oh fuck!
That is in.
Oh my eyes! Oh
Dude,
my
that
eyes!
was so dumb. Right above your face.
It worked.
Do that. Just like that. I believe.
Yeah, I've got it all the way through,
Gas.
and it's just sitting there. So now I
Get
need
the bolts in there.
I need a pressure plate first.
Yeah, look at it fall out.
Thank you.
I did them within like span of 2. And then when I got out of them, should have been. Didn't bind any.
Spencer, what you think about that second gear right there, man?
Beat. Sheared.
Sauce.
Done.
No signs of that. Nothing.
We've got the pressure plate and the clutch in there with the flywheel on it. All action clutch stage 1. First, while you're tightening these down, I had to give it a little bit of this all around, just equally, because this was like completely flush. So you gotta push it down a lot. Then torque it, 35 foot-pounds for RBs. I don't know what your trends is.
That's the same as KA24, by the way.
Yeah, and SR. And CA18 actually. Make sure that the alignment tool is able to slide in and out like that while you're tightening it. And then
His end goal is like
just have a buddy who happens to be Fitz hold it while you torque it down. Okay, that one's good.
Yeah.
Okay. That one's good. You're done. Pop that baby out. And we're good to go. Yep. And basically, all that we got to do now, put this gasket on. It goes on the front cover for the bell housing, front bell housing, right there. So what we're gonna do, put this on, and then new throwout bearing that's coming in. It goes on like that. I think either like that
6th grade, I had the bag.
or like that. I forgot. We'll figure it out. And then that goes through here. On there. Yeah, that'll be good.
For the video, you gotta find
And then this goes on there. And after that, it'll be ready to go.
And then do that.
And then do that. And it'll be ready to go in.